Part of the challenge that we faced before the Vecna solution was how do we get more picks done per hour? So how can we increase our throughput per hour?
Some of the issues we ran into prior to the Vecna robots coming in with our throughput especially was the order profile is always different. It can be different consignees, different customers, and all depending on what they need is what we send out. We don't send out any more than what they order. So that order profile changes day over day.
When a picker comes on, they have to learn how to drive an EPJ, they have to learn the building flow, they have to learn the staging lanes. They have a lot to learn in a short amount of time. With Vecna, they don't have to learn how to do staging or the pick path. All they have to do is walk from AMR to AMR. The way the system works is that the tasker will send the orders to Vecna. The Vecna system will then send them to each robot. Then once the robot has their order, they will go to the first stop in the picking process.
That's where the picker will scan the robot. The robot will give them the exact location that they need to pick. They will scan location, item, and then their placker, and then they will put all the cases on that robot.
Once they are done with that stop, they will hit done on the robot, and that will send the robot to its next location in line. And the picker will go to the next robot that he has visibility to. Once the robot is complete, has all picks, then it will go to the staging lane, and the pickers just continue to move from robot to robot.
The new system compared to the old system, we take our entire order profile instead of one order at a time, open it up and we can read it and see which order is going where, how many cases are coming. We can actually kind of watch it happen as we read it.
We'd release the orders in a batch. We'll give Vecna, hey, you got these 20 tasks, and Vecna will choose which ones will go first and second, or depending on the zoning, they will choose those tasks. I think it's very cool the way that they do it. They will spread out the work throughout the warehouse, and picker will have constant work because the work is spread out throughout the floor. The robots is very user-friendly as far as picking. It's not so hard to learn to pick with the robots.
Before Vecna, we were doing 125 cases per hour. After the Vecna implementation, currently we're doing up to 265 per hour on average. We tend to do more than that when the order profile is favorable for us. The team has been very great on helping us collect data so we can see how we're improving in utilization. In the last 7 months, we've saved over $227,000 in labor. Overall experience with Vecna has been great. The team's been very collaborative.
I couldn't have asked for a better partnership. It's the greatest thing since sliced bread.